This is going to be one of the hardest videos that I've ever recorded in my life for you. First of all, because I'm not following any script, I'm not reading any script. So I'm sorry for my English, I'm Brazilian, so yeah. And second of all, because I'm speechless. I'm just speechless about what I've done with my own life, working from home. And before you ask me, no, I don't have any course to sell you about how making money online. I don't have any course about it. I have many free videos though here in my channel, but just watch it, bro, if you want to become someone that's going to work from home, because I think this is your sign. I think this is your sign to start doing whatever you want to do online, right? If you want to do drop shipping, bro, go for it. If you want to sell courses, bro, go for it. If you just want to work for companies, go for it. If you want to become a good professional, work from 9 to 5, go for it. I don't work 9 to 5, but if you want to become someone to work 9 to 5, go for it. I'm not here to tell you that 9 to 5 jobs are the worst choice of your life, but I'm here to tell you that your skills, your knowledge can become part of your life so you can make money to support your family, support yourself, and just live your life wherever you want to live. And I'm not telling you or promising you that you're gonna become rich. You decide what you're gonna do with your knowledge. I'm not the one who's gonna tell you what to do. And I'm not a rich guy, but today I am a business owner that I can support myself, pay for my bills, pay for what's necessary in my life. And I'm very happy because this is one of the days that I just received something very special to help me to work even better. Of course, for some people this is not special, this is nothing, by the way, but for me this means everything, because when I look to this small object here in my table, I remember in 2022 when I was suffering, crying so much because I couldn't help my family, I couldn't support myself, I couldn't buy a simple shoes, I couldn't live in a good home, I couldn't pay my family bills, I just couldn't. And when I look at this small thing here, I just look at something, I look to it, and I feel that there's something telling me, bro, you made it. You made it. You are capable of doing whatever you want to do. And if you are someone that feel lost right now, again, this is your sign. This is your sign. No matter what people are gonna tell about you, no matter if they tell you that you're crazy, no matter if you want to do drop shipping, sell courses about your skills, or whatever, bro. If you want to become a freelancer, agency owner like me, go for it. Go for it. It's not going to be easy at the beginning, but you're going to succeed, bro. I'm very emotional right now, I gotta tell you. And I'm very emotional right now because I'm telling you this, that is something that someone told me in my past. Again, I remember looking back in 2023 when I decided to study by myself. And I remember looking at my wall in the end of the year and just seeing my future. I was watching my future in front of me because I was studying. I was working hard to become the guy that I am today. And I'm not telling you that you need to do the same thing. No, with the YouTube videos, you can become someone that make money from home, that support yourself and your family from home. And I'm telling you this because I studied from YouTube to become a video editor. So yes, I'm a video editor right now. And I just become a video editor. I became a video editor working from home, study from home, watching simple video. And now in 2025 I am a business owner. I have my own business, I support myself, I pay my bills, I live exactly where I wanted to live. And I'm not a rich guy, okay, but for me this is enough. I don't want to be a rich guy. I just want to be someone that have the necessary to live and support my family. That's all. So if you are someone that want to become rich with this video, this is not for you, because I am not rich. I am not rich. But if you consider me rich, okay, that's all right. But I'm not. And again, I remember looking back, suffering so much to figure out what I wanted to do, and looking to 2023, December 2023, 5 months later, when I decided to become a video editor, I started to make more and more money working from home, working for a business owner. And nowadays, man, my life, I feel just crazy. I'm just grateful, first of all, for my Jehovah God that support me over 100 prayers in the year, not to make money, but to support myself and live for him. So I'm just grateful for him, first of all. And second of all, I'm grateful for myself. I'm grateful for myself for not giving up when people were talking bad about me, talking bad things about me, when I was surrounded by people talking bad stuff about me, saying that I wasn't anything, I wasn't gonna make it, and blah blah blah, stuff like that you already know. I don't need to repeat that. But if you are someone that's struggling with this right now, having to listen to all the people that are talking bad about you because you decided to work from home, bro, this is your sign. This is your sign to stop listening to it. This is your sign to stop watching other people making money through internet, saying that they are rich, and you not become the person that you want to become. And I just want to tell you, don't try to be rich right now. Try to help other people with your skills. If you don't know what you're gonna do, just go on YouTube. You want to do dropshipping? Okay, go for dropshipping. You want to be someone to sell courses about your knowledge? Go for it. You want to become a freelancer? Bro, just try to be the best that you can. Not in terms of skills, but as a person. As a business owner, learn how to negotiate, how to talk to people. Learn how you can talk to people properly so you can close better deal, just like me, okay? And I don't have a course to tell you about how to make better deals. But if you want, go in the description here down below. I have a ChatBot made in ChatGPT with my knowledge about closing deals with clients. And this is really good, can help you a lot. So it's very cheap though, it's just cheap. And it can help you out with so many stuff. So let's just continue. I just bought the Apple M4 Mac Mini last week, and it just arrived here in my house. I have it here, these precious things in my hand, and I feel like I made it. Not because of the money, but I'm supporting myself to work even better, to deliver quality to my client. And I'm not telling you that you can't work in a Windows PC. I've spent 2 years working in Windows PC before I decided to move to Mac Mini, right? So you don't need to do the same thing. I'm just saying. But I'm very happy I'm here, and my message to you is don't stop, bro. Don't give up on yourself. Don't stop doing what you're doing. Don't listen to other people. Don't be sad. Do not compare yourself with others. Do not feel bad about yourself just because you're not rich, or just because you can't even make $500 in a month. Because first of all, God is with you. He can support you with enough money to support your family. So don't focus on being rich right now. Just focus on being the best version of yourself. Don't want to be Alex Hormozi. You don't want to be Imangaji. You don't want to be any guru out there. You just gotta be yourself, improve your skill, find your passion, find what you love, or at least something that you like, that you enjoy doing, and help other people with your skills. That's what you need to do. You don't need that much. Literally nowadays, I don't work a lot. I just work enough to pay my bills, pay my food, my clothes, and what's necessary. So bro, if you are almost giving up about yourself just because you've seen other gurus making so much money that you can even remember how much they made, stop, bro. Take a deep breath, keep doing what you're doing. Do not give up on yourself, and let's support each other. If you need anything, just drop a comment here down below, and I will see you maybe in the next video.